Hey guys, welcome you all. In this video we will learn how we can register for training related to Kubernetes on IBM Cloud and get the certification. There are few steps that we need to follow. Let's see how we can register for it. So first you need to go to this particular URL, that is ibm.com/cloud/learn/Kubernetes. Once you will click on this one, you will see this Kubernetes training page there, so you can learn about the Kubernetes, what is Kubernetes containers, about the container orchestration, that is actually our Kubernetes. So once you will go to there, and the left hand side you will see Kubernetes tutorial. Once you will click on this one, the first link itself is telling about Kubernetes tutorial free hands-on lab with certification. So here we need to go to this URL. Once you will go to this URL, you will see this page, right? Kubernetes tutorial hands-on lab with certification. How it works, actually how it works means what are the steps we need to follow. So first step is we need to create an IBM account, cloud account. There is no charge for this one, and we no need to provide any credit card information. Second step is to complete Kubernetes tutorial coursework, that is our tutorial plus hands-on lab that we need to complete. Once we complete that one, then we need to put our knowledge to the test and earn a certification badge. That I'll show you how we can complete it. So what are the labs included in this tutorial or in this section from the IBM? So in the Kubernetes certification coursework, you can see complete each lab to earn your Kubernetes certification badge. So there are 3 labs available. What are those 3 labs are? First labs are for container and Kubernetes essentials. Second lab is for scalable web application on Kubernetes, and in the third lab, analyze logs and monitor application health. So these are the 3 actual labs. Each lab is for 1 hour, but in total they are giving us 4 hours of time. So if you miss, or if you don't want to complete it at once, you can pause, you can close the window. Once you will open, whenever you will reopen the window, the time will start from there. Not only you will get those 4 hours, but also you have the option to extend 1 more hour for that one to complete your labs. So once you will go down, you have so many questions answered here. What if you are not aware about the hybrid cloud, and also once you want to experiment more on the IBM Cloud, you can create one IBM Cloud Kubernetes service cluster at no charge. That will be available for 30 days. So it will, and one more thing, whatever lab you are running or the workload you are running, that will be on the production network there. It is not like they created a separate lab for you, it is on their platform itself. So directly you are working on their production based workload. If you want to learn more about the Kubernetes, you can go here. So now we need to go to the labs. What are the labs we are having? Once you will click on this one, you will see this page where you will see all the labs information. So let it reopen. So here you can see, if you want to learn about what is Kubernetes in a video form, here it is explained, Kubernetes explained, and containerization explained here in this video. Once you will complete that one, if you already have that information, you want just hands-on experience, okay, so you can complete these labs. So these are the 3 labs. You can see each labs have 60-minute time, but once you will open this one, you will have total 4 hours, okay. So 3 hours for these, 1 hours extra, and if you still need more hours, you can extend your lab for 1 hour. So once you will click on this one, it will ask you for authentication. Other in this one, I have already logged in. If you will see, my account is already logged in, technologyacademy.com. Otherwise you just need to create one account, simple account. You need to provide your email address, password. On that email you will get the verification code, that will be one-time OTP. Once you will provide that OTP, provide your name, and your account is created and you are ready to use that account. So there are 3 labs. I clicked on one lab. You can see now for this lab only 3 hours are left, okay. So whenever you are free, just then only you just launch the time, because time is ticking out. So you just have 4 hours to complete those labs. So what are the objectives of this training? Okay, so this lab, sorry, so you have the PDF form. I downloaded this PDF form. If so guys, once you will click on that PDF document, you will be it will be opened here. So guys, once you will click on that PDF document, it will be opened here in the browser. You can download this document as well. You can see there are 5 exercise in this lab for containers and Kubernetes essential. It is started in the objective. They will mention what you will learn. You will learn like understand core concept of Kubernetes, build a Docker image and deploy an application on Kubernetes in IBM. So you can go through this objective. Then you will start with first exercise, that is our configure cluster access. How we can do it, that it will be log into IBM Cloud. Then it will say step by step, and you just need to follow the guideline. You no need to open this document. There is left hand side, this manual will be there. Just you need to click on this command and it will be run in your browser. Second exercise is for deploy an application. How you can deploy your application inside the containers, you will learn in this lab. In the third lab exercise, you will learn how you can scale, update and roll back your cluster. Means how you can do it with your, how you will play with your containers within the Kubernetes, you will learn here. In the fourth exercise, it is about deploy application with configuration config YAML file. So you will use your own, you can use your own configuration file, or you will use as it is what is given there. And I'll prefer to go with the as it is, as we are using just for learning purpose. Once you know this thing how it will work, you can do it with your own. And in the fifth exercise, if we will see, we will connect with Redis storage, how we can connect to a backend services and all we will learn in this one. So this is the lab, first lab we are having, and the second lab is about the scalable web application. I'll not go in detail. So you just go through the objective, then you will see all the exercises. Here also there are 5 exercises, and you need to, once you are done, you need to complete the quiz. Once you pass that test, you will get the certification badge that you have the hands-on experience about the Kubernetes on IBM Cloud. That badge you can use anywhere, either on your LinkedIn profile or in your resume. It will definitely increase the weightage. And right now Kubernetes is in high demand technology. Whatever you are, that means if you are a developer or you are architect or you are a designer, right now in infra side, Kubernetes is the on demand, or and we can say it is the hot topic right now. So I hope you find this video useful. For the same kind of video or such information, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, so they can also take the advantage and can upskill themselves, because I think the sharing opportunity is the best help to anyone. So see you in next video.